In the heart of Europe, a new beast awakens, forged in the crucible of German engineering and tempered by the demands of the 21st century battlefield. This is the Leopard 3, the most advanced main battle tank in the world. A marvel of firepower, protection, and tactical flexibility, the Leopard 3 represents a quantum leap in armored warfare, a machine designed not just to dominate today's conflicts, but to reshape the very nature of ground combat. Today, we'll lift the veil on this technological wonder, exploring the revolutionary advancements and classified capabilities that make the Leopard 3 the undisputed king of the battlefield. At first glance, the Leopard 3 is an imposing sight. Its angular, faceted turret and sleek, sloped armor give it a predatory appearance, like a great cat poised to strike. But this is no mere aesthetic flourish. Every angle, every surface has been carefully crafted to deflect and dissipate incoming fire, providing unparalleled protection for the crew within. The tank's armor, a closely guarded secret, is rumored to incorporate the latest in composite and reactive technologies, capable of shrugging off hits from all but the most advanced anti-tank weapons. But the Leopard 3's defenses extend far beyond mere armor. The tank is equipped with an active protection system, a suite of sensors and countermeasures that can detect and neutralize incoming threats in real time. Imagine a missile streaking towards the tank at supersonic speeds. In a fraction of a second, the Leopard 3's radar detects the threat, calculates its trajectory, and launches a counter-missile to intercept it, all before the crew even knows they're under attack. It's a level of automated survivability that borders on the stuff of science fiction. Of course, the tank's ultimate purpose is not just to survive, but to destroy. And in this regard, the Leopard 3 is in a class of its own. Its main armament, a 130mm smoothbore cannon, is the most powerful ever fitted to a Western tank, capable of firing a variety of advanced munitions, from armor-piercing sabot rounds to programmable airburst shells. The gun can engage and destroy targets at ranges that were once unthinkable for a tank. But the Leopard 3's firepower doesn't end with its main gun. The tank also is equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station, allowing the commander to engage targets independently of the main turret. This secondary armament, which can include everything from a 50 caliber machine gun to an anti-tank missile launcher, gives the Leopard 3 unparalleled tactical flexibility, able to engage multiple threats simultaneously. Perhaps most impressive, however, is the way the Leopard 3 integrates these various systems into a cohesive whole. The tank's digital battlefield management system is a marvel of software engineering, able to process and synthesize data from a myriad of sources in real time. From the moment a round is loaded into the breech, the Leopard 3's computer is calculating ballistics, adjusting for wind, temperature, and barrel wear, ensuring that every shot finds its mark. This level of digital integration extends beyond the tank itself. The Leopard 3 is designed to operate as part of a networked battlefield, sharing data and coordinating with other units in real time. Imagine a squadron of Leopard 3s advancing across the battlefield using advanced data links. Each tank is in constant communication with its fellows, sharing target data, coordinated fires, and adapting to the evolving tactical situation. It's a level of battlefield awareness and synchronization that would have been unthinkable just a decade ago. But the true marvel of the Leopard 3 lies in the classified technologies that Germany has chosen not to reveal. Rumors abound of advanced stealth coatings that can render the tank invisible to thermal imaging, of directed energy weapons that can fry electronics and disable vehicles without firing a shot. There are whispers of autonomous operation, of Leopard 3s that can navigate, target, and engage enemies entirely on their own. While the truth of these rumors remains unknown, one thing is clear: the Leopard 3 is a machine with capabilities that push the very boundaries of what we thought possible for a main battle tank. As formidable as the Leopard 3 is, however, it is but a glimpse of the armored future that Germany envisions. Even as the first Leopard 3s roll off the production line, German engineers are already hard at work on its successor, a tank that promises to redefine the very concept of armored warfare. Dubbed the Panther after the legendary World War II tank, this next-generation platform is shrouded in even greater secrecy than the Leopard 3. What little is known suggests a machine of truly staggering capabilities. Rumors hint at a tank with a fully automated turret, able to identify, track, and engage targets entirely on its own. Others speak of advanced propulsion systems, perhaps even a hybrid electric drive that could give the Panther unmatched speed and agility on the battlefield. But perhaps the most tantalizing whispers surround the Panther's defensive capabilities. Some say that the tank will feature an advanced form of active camouflage, able to blend into its surroundings like a chameleon. Others hint at even more exotic technologies, like force fields that can deflect incoming projectiles or even render the tank invisible to the naked eye. Of course, the development of such revolutionary technologies is not without its challenges. As tanks become more complex, more autonomous, there are legitimate concerns about the potential for accidents, malfunctions, or even rogue behavior. Ensuring that these machines remain under human control and that they're used in accordance with international law and ethical principles will be a key challenge for policymakers and military leaders alike. There are also questions about the cost and sustainability of such advanced platforms. The Leopard 3, for all its capabilities, comes with a hefty price tag, with each tank estimated to cost over 15 million euros. In an era of tightening defense budgets and shifting strategic priorities, the ability to field and maintain a large fleet of such expensive vehicles is far from guaranteed. Despite these challenges, however, the development of the Leopard 3 and its successors remains a top priority for the German military. In a world of rising geopolitical tensions and rapid technological change, the ability to dominate the land battle is seen as essential to maintaining European security and sovereignty. The Leopard 3, with its unmatched combination of firepower, protection, and connectivity, is a key part of this strategy, a platform that can give Germany and its allies a decisive edge in any ground conflict. But the Leopard 3 is more than just a military asset. It's a symbol of German industrial might, a testament to the country's enduring spirit of innovation and engineering excellence. In a nation that's often been defined by its past, the Leopard 3 stands as a beacon of its future, a manifestation of Germany's commitment to defending freedom and democracy in an uncertain world. As we watch the Leopard 3 prowl the proving grounds, its powerful engine rumbling like distant thunder, it's easy to be awed by the sheer technological prowess on display. But let us not forget the human element behind the machine, the designers and engineers who have poured their hearts and minds into its creation. The factory workers who've crafted each component with precision and pride, and most of all, the soldiers who will take this beast into battle, who will rely on its strength and their own courage to carry the day. For it's in the synergy of man and machine that the true potential of the Leopard 3 will be realized. In the heat of battle, when the fate of nations hangs in the balance, it'll be the skill and bravery of the tank crews that will make the difference. The Leopard 3 will be their steed, their shield, their sword, but it's their indomitable spirit that will truly make this tank a legend. So let us salute the Leopard 3 and all who have brought it to life. Let it stand as a symbol of our resolve, our ingenuity, and our unwavering commitment to the defense of freedom. In an age of uncertainty, may it be a beacon of strength, a guardian of peace, a testament to the enduring power of human will and innovation. As the Leopard 3 takes its place in the arsenals of the free world, let us remember the lessons of the past and the price of liberty. Let us strive always to be worthy of the sacrifices made in our name and to use the tools of war only in the cause of a just and lasting peace. This is the promise of the Leopard 3 and the sacred trust of all who will serve in its steel embrace. May it never waver, and may the roar of its engine ever be a sound of hope to the oppressed and of fear to the oppressor. Forged in the heart of Europe, may the Leopard 3 stand forever as a guardian of its values, a champion of its ideals, a testament to the indomitable spirit of a continent that has endured so much and yet still stands tall. This is the legend of the Leopard 3, the pride of Germany, the shield of Europe. May its story be one of courage, of innovation, and of the eternal pursuit of a better, safer world for all mankind. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more content like today's. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.